Guys, what is going on? Welcome to the channel, and we're gonna do another little safety upgrade mod to the F350, and it's gonna be, Matthew, what are these? What? Fire extinguishers? Yes. What do they do?
Yeah, fire.
Put out fires, correct. So we got these because we do go camping once in a while. We go on road trips once in a while. So if something happens, not everybody has a fire extinguisher, and I figured I might as well install a couple in the F350. If something happens with our truck or somebody else's truck, we can help them out. And I don't want to do like huge ones, but these are nice and little. Well, thanks, Light. Appreciate it. We got these little ones. They're not that big, and I don't want to install them inside the truck, because if, let's say, the inside the truck catches fire, it's going to be a pain in the butt to try to get it and put out fire. But next to you, next to me,
Yes,
install it next to me.
Yes, so you could grab it and put out the fire.
Yeah, but what if you get scared and jump out and then you forget to grab the fire extinguisher? And then there's fire inside the truck, then you can't get it, right? Then you have to call the fire truck. Yeah, so I was thinking maybe mount it right here. One here and one on the other side. Or maybe on the inside right here somewhere. Maybe on the inside, maybe outside. I don't know, Matthew, what do you think? Outside, inside? Inside? But then what if I can't reach it? If I put it inside and there's a fire and I can't reach it? What if there's a fire in the back of the truck and I need to grab the extinguisher but I can't reach it? I don't know. What do you guys think? Maybe outside? Well, I don't know. I might do it outside for now. See how I feel about it. Maybe move it back later on the inside. So basically what I gotta do is find exactly where I'm gonna drill the holes, drill a couple holes, and mount that over here. Fairly simple. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just, well, first I'm gonna get some lights over here, and I'm gonna measure from top and get it kind of centered in the same location. Drill some holes. Alright, let's get some lights and do this little install for safety. Right, Matthew? So it's safe. Right. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and measure this kind of somewhere. I don't know if I should do it higher or lower. Let me put on the fire extinguisher and see how she sits. So maybe around there. Let me do a quick little mark. Okay. 8.5 inches. So the other side I'll do 8.5 inches as well. Now let's make sure it's nice and centered. I'm going to do a hole right here. Right there, and actually drilled a new hole on the bracket itself. My marker won't fit in there, but I'll drill that hole after I secure the bracket right here, and then this one right here, because this seems kind of flimsy. So if, let's say, this breaks off, which is what holds the fire extinguisher, the fire extinguisher is going to fly off. Because this part on top, this section right here, doesn't really hold it. It snaps in, but I don't think it's going to be enough support if this actually breaks off. Trying to modify and improve how I see it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do another screw right here. That way, if this bracket breaks off, which is what's gonna be mounted, if this breaks off right here, this little hinge, then the fire extinguisher goes bye-bye. Alright, and there you guys have it. It's two little sweet fire extinguishers. I actually really like how they're set up. I think I'm going to keep them that way. I'm not going to put them in the middle, because I was thinking maybe put them, you know, one right here, one right here. But let's say if there's something on fire in the bed, you can reach it out from the outside. So yeah, let me show you how I set that up, and actually added some zip ties on here as well. I'll drill the extra hole here on top of the bracket, because the bracket is really secure, so the bracket is not going to go anywhere. But I was worried that after I had secured this one, it was kind of popping out just a little bit here, out and in, and I'm kind of worried if it pops out, it's going to be wobbling around, and then it's going to eventually fall off. And then also, if somebody decides to, you know, just kind of grab it and run, right now it's as secure as possible, but once I disconnect this one, I can easily just kind of pry this up, and it's going to break off the zip ties. But I'm not too worried about it. I mean, if somebody really wants it, they're going to jack it anyways. So it's only like 12 bucks. I mean, yeah, it's better to have it mounted inside, but honestly, let's say truck catches fire on the inside, you know, that might be the last thing on your mind. Fire extinguisher, you might want to get your kids out or run out yourself and then worry about the truck later. But when it's mounted right here, you can still reach it if the truck is on fire, engine bay is on fire, inside is on fire, or the bed is on fire if there's a bunch of stuff in the bed. And plus I got two, so I can get to either one in any scenario. Even if the truck flips over, I can always get to that one or that one. So it's always better to have more than needed than none at all. Yeah, I did the same thing on this one. I zip tied it. I did two zip ties, pretty much X pattern, one over and under, and another one over and under. That way it's kind of holding the bracket together. It's holding the extinguisher together to the bracket. And I also got a extra screw on this bracket right here in the back. So I got pretty much two screws holding this bracket, one screw holding this bracket, and zip ties. It's not going anywhere. So yeah, if I want to just grab it and yank it, it's not going anywhere. But like I said, all I do is I disconnect this guy, yank this from the bottom, pull it up, and it's going to break the plastic or the zip ties, and I got my extinguisher. So it's not going to be, I don't need any tools to actually disconnect it. I'm just mostly worried about the little fire extinguisher falling off on the freeway if I hit like a bump or something. And if somebody wants to be stupid enough to steal them, then, you know, 12 bucks is 12 bucks. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little mod. Let me know what you think. Let me know what I should have maybe done differently. But so far, I think it's a pretty cool little mod. So guys, thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.